Honorable Chief Guest, Special Guest, Most Respected Head Sir, Honorable Teachers, Guardians, Elite Personnel, my beloved students and my classmates, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. This is Lamia, an SSC examinee of 2026, standing here to be a part of a very special occasion. Today we gathered here to celebrate the farewell of 2026 batch. The day is both joyful and emotional because it's time to say goodbye to a beautiful phase of our lives. I stand here to recall some moments while studying here. Please pardon us if we do any mischief and misbehave with you. Thank you and wishing a future of institute